Okay. Yeah, so we have seen from the equation number 3 or 4, yeah, 2 or 3, we got as what? Dx equal to fp k, no? Similarly, dy is equal to fq of k. Also, I have my equation number 4, dz is equal to p dx, sorry, q dy. So I can transform this dx according to this one. So I'm gonna substitute this one fp da sorry k plus q times fq of k. Okay, so I can take the k outside. So p fp, okay, plus q fq. So what is k? K will be, so this divided by this, no? So dz divided by p fp plus q fq. Okay, so this is our k. So we have found a relations to the k. Okay, so that can be equated. So you can put this as is that number 4, 4 or 5, whatever number. Okay, just put 4. So now combining, let's say 2, 3, 4. What is our answer? So all these are equal, no? Dy over fp is okay. Okay, and dx over fp, dy over fq, which is equal to yeah, minus, I can take the minus up. Okay, so this will be fx plus fz of p, which is equal to minus dq divided by fy plus fz of q, which is equal to k, no? For that k, I'm going to equate this one, dz over pfp plus qfq. Okay, so this relation and this equation we called as a Chapit equation. Okay, this is called, right after that, this is called Chapit's, it's a name of the person. Okay, so capital Chapit's equation or Chapit's method. Okay, so somehow you have to, likewise you have memorized the auxiliary equation for the Lagrange's equation. For the nonlinear equation, you have to keep this reminded. Okay, if you do again, it will be reminded. You have to memorize anyhow. Okay, so and right after this one, solving these equations, we get solution of the nonlinear PDE. Okay, so by solving this one, we can get the nonlinear PDE solution. So we can do one example hopefully, and we can see. Okay, okay. Shall I erase? Please write down very correctly. Okay, don't make any mistakes and all. Okay, let's do one example on this non-linear cases. Okay, so example, solve f is equal to p squared plus q squared y minus qz, which is equal to 0. So what do you think? Is this non-linear or linear or reasons? Can you answer me? Tell the reason fully why it is non-linear. Give the reasons. Why only 37 students here? We should have 50 plus, no? Let's see. 140. Can you tell me the answer? And others as well. Please tell me whether it is a non-linear or linear with the reason. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. 140 also tell me the answers. And others also, please celebrate your answers. I got 2 answers. Yes, hopefully okay. Good. What's the reason? Why others are silent? Don't you know how to find the linear non-linearity? Okay, what is this? It is non-linear. Why? So you can see p squared, q squared there. What is p? P is the zx, no? Zx to the power squared is there. So derivative power is there, not the 1 power, no? So even if it is 1, 1, you can consider it's a linear. But here you can see zy multiplied by the same z, no? Dependent variable multiply again with the derivative. That is also considered the non-linear. Okay. So altogether it is non-linear equations. So try to, elaborate your answers. Don't just keep silent. Okay. If silence means you don't know the answers. That's the thing. Okay. So yeah, this is one of the questions. Okay. Anyway, I would like to first of all give the working rule, like a steps, so that will be easy for me to. Okay. So please put the small heading before doing the example. Let's write this one also. Okay, working rule for Chapit's method. Okay, first step 1. First of all, you have to write down transfer. Okay, write down first. Transfer all terms. Transfer all terms of the given equation to left side and denote. So if they don't give you the capital F, you have to make it, okay? Denote the entire expression by F, okay? So if they give already the step 1, so you can skip it, okay? Step number 2, write the Chapik's auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation. That means dp over what? So write down the equation, okay? I'm not gonna copy. That is dx over what? Dy over what is that? Okay? And step number 3, so using the function f in step 1, write the values. So from the f, find out the values of fx is what, fy is what, fz is what, fp is what, fq is what, okay? And substitute in step 2 equation, okay? And step 4, so far we have studied this thing. So let's see the step 4. So yeah, step number 4, write down please. After simplifying the step 3, select two proper fractions. After simplifying the step 3, select two proper fractions so that the resulting integral may come out to be the simplest relation. Integral may come out to be the simplest relation involving at least one of P or Q. At least one of P or Q. Okay. So write down step number 5. So this, okay, step number 5. The simplest relation of step 4. The simplest relation of step 4. No, I'm at lecture. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Step number 5 says the simplest relation of step number 4 is solved along with the given equation to determine P and Q. So from that we're going to find out the P and Q. Okay. The simplest relation of step 4 is solved along with the given equation to determine P and Q. Okay. P and Q. Okay. Step number 6, last steps. Okay. Step 6 says put these values, P and Q, put these value P and Q in the equation, dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy. Okay, give me a second. The equation, hello? நான் லெக்சர்ல இருக்கேன். நீங்க வந்துட்டீங்களா? ஓகே. அவளுக்கு வந்துட்டீங்களா? கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க. நான் இப்ப 4 மணிக்கு வருவேன்னு சொன்னேன். ஓகே, ஓகே. Okay, sorry about that. Step number 6 says put these values P and Q. Okay, in the equation dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy with on integration gives the complete integral of the equation. So far we have seen this one, step 1, step 2, step 3. After writing step 3, we need to have step 4, step 5, and step 6 is the example things. Okay. So it says put these values P and Q in the equation dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy with on integration gives the complete integral of the given equation. Okay. So this is our steps to do the thing. Also, write down the complete integral will be in this form of z is equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. Okay. Sorry. This not this one. Okay. Sorry about that. So let's do that as an example. Okay. Complete the integral of the equation. That's all the working group. So that is our example. Okay. I will erase this one. So let's do our early example, then we can come to that example. Okay. Okay. So let's solve one example. So early example. Okay. I'm choosing the earlier one. P square q squared of y minus qz is equal to 0. So in this, you don't need to do the step 1, no? Already this has been nicely written for the f is equal to something. Okay. So you can start from the step 2. Okay. Step 2 to 6 we can do. So first of all, you have to write down the Chapit's auxiliary equations. So, and then find out, that is step number 3, no? Write down the Chapit equation as step number 2. And from step number 3, so this is as the equation number 1. From that, find out what is the substitution. For example, what is fx? What is fy? Okay, what is fy? What is fp? fq? What is fz? Can you fill up these things? Can you give the answer for this one? Okay, can I get the answer? Please send your answers. That's the answer. What is fx? What is fy? Only one person answered. Where's the others? Are you all here or what's happening? 157. Can you answer me? That's a big deal here. If you have one function, you know how to find this f with respect to x. What is that? There's no x, so you have to have 0. Likewise, what is the answer? You are taking too long. 157, answer me. What is fy? Whatever the function with respect to derivative with respect to y. So we are considering other terms, that terms will be 0. So only these things. We consider this one as this one. So what's the big deal here? Why nobody answers? So just fill up, okay? And then after that, I'm not going to give you the full answer. So it's not no point to give you the whole answers. Okay. So yeah. So the next step is step number 4. Okay, I'll go from the step number 4. You just write down the substitute this step 2 to whatever you are finding. Okay, which is equal to this one, this one. So you can put whatever the values. Okay. So and then okay, you can simplify and all. So you will end up like this. So I'll erase this window. Okay. So yeah, number 2 has answers. So I'm not gonna give you the full answer. Okay, just okay. Doing all the steps, you will have this one dx over 2py like this. Okay, something dz over. You fill up this whatever you think. Okay, 2p squared y plus 2q squared y minus z cube. Okay, and then we're gonna take I mean yeah, we're gonna take two terms here. Okay, so like that dp over pq is equal to dq over minus dq over let's say p square. So you can take down the p, and if you simplify it will be p dp, which is equal to minus q dq. Okay, then if you integrate, what you'll get, this will be like p square plus q square, let's say any a or b, any arbitrary function. Okay, arbitrary function. A is a arbitrary function. So the arbitrary very constant. Okay, we have found one possible yeah way of ending. Okay. Now so what is our function actually? F is equal to this one of p squared plus q squared of y minus qz is equal to 0. So substitute this p square q square as a. So this one will be ay minus qz is equal to 0. Okay. Then Yeah, this is equal to 0 now. What is Q from this? Can I give the answer? What is Q? Plus 157. You are not answered me. Only 1 or 2% only answering. I don't know where's the others. Okay, we have only 10 minutes. Please answer my questions. 157. Okay. Now, yeah. So, what is Q? You just find the Q. Okay, I'll erase this one. So, likewise, then you can have P squared Q squared is equal to A no. So, you substitute whatever Q, but square plus P squared. I'm not going to give you the answer because nobody answered it. Okay. Then from that, you find this what is P squared, then what is P? Maybe plus or minus square root of whatever comes here. Okay, write down this. So from this, we have found what is Q, and when substituting, we find one of the P. Okay, with respect to all the elements. Now we have to go to the step number 6, I guess. Okay. Step number 6 is that is equal to zx comma y no. So what is dz? Dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Okay. So and then you substitute whatever the p you got here. Okay, dx. Take only the positive one. Okay. Forget about the negative. Similarly, q and dy. Okay. So if you do this one, so you may have some z terms here. Okay. Like something z. Okay. You can check what is the answer. So then you can have z dx equal to whatever this one dx, this one dy. Okay. So when you are solving and taking the integral after that, okay, you can get the answer of z. Okay. So please write down the steps. So you have to fill up the answers. I'm not going to give you the answers anyway. Okay. So I'll give you the final answer. After integrating, you will get something like this. 1 over 2a square root of something which is equal to x plus b, where b is also a arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant. Okay. Then when you simplify, okay, meeting gonna be finished anyway. We're gonna finish within 5 minutes. Okay. So after this one, write down. So after this one, when you simplify it, simplify to get the z. In here you can't get the z. You will get the z square or something. Okay. I'll give you the only final answer. Z you will get as z square. You will get a times 4x plus b whole thing square plus y square. This is your z square. Okay, see whether you get this answer. Okay, do all the thing yourself and get this point. If it is okay, that's fine. Okay. So what you are doing? You took long time. Okay. All right, so hope you got the idea. First of all, go back to the read around the working rule again. See whether did I go that way. Okay, this P and Q, finding the P and Q in the step number 4 as well as step number 5. Okay, then this one will be step number 6. Now after 6, I have come to the conclusion. Sometime you may get Z is equal to what? But in this question, we are getting only the Z square or Z is what? Square root of this one, whatever. Okay. So our final answer, I will erase this one. our final answer you should get z squared is equal to a times sorry, a times 4x plus b whole square plus y square. Okay, this is our z square. So check whether you are getting that answer. Okay, and so I will give one more question if you like. This second question, you can try this one. Find, so question can also come in this way. Find a complete integral of that is equal to, okay, px plus qy plus p square plus q square. Okay, so this is also non-linear. But you see here, they have given you z is equal to something. But what is our step one? So you have to be careful. Z is equal to f is equal to something which is equal to 0 now. So you have to take this, whatever equal to 0 is the f. So you have to take this one this side. Okay, f is equal to this one minus z is equal to 0. So you have to take this. Okay. So in that way, or otherwise you can take z minus this term is equal to 0. So you can take this one this side or that side. Okay, both side may be equal solution. Let's try to find this solution. And yeah. So if you're like, I can find some homework resources, right? So this is all about our chapter number 2. Okay. So we can continue chapter number 3 in our next class. So we have finished and end of chapter number 2. So in this we have studied about characteristics of linear equations as well as Lagrangian method for the first order, quasi-linear, as well as Chapitz for the first order non-linear. Okay. So okay, that's all about our lecture. I will finish up. Okay, good.